VCAssist is your personal intelligent meeting assistant that connects directly with your AVer SBC system. Before starting VCAssist, you need to set up your personal meeting assistant. First, enter your SBC's IP address, password, and name and click Login. Go to Setting and select Outlook Server Settings. Enter your Outlook address, domain username, password, and server information. After finishing the initial setup process, you can begin to enjoy VCAssist features. Choose Schedule Meeting and enter your invitee's address. Select a location for your meeting, the date, start time, and end time. Enter in your meeting summary or other content, and then click Send. Once VCAssist is programmed, you can easily connect to your phone to display your updated conferencing call schedule in real time. VCAssist also lets you access your cell phone's phone book from your SBC system, so you can easily start video conferencing with your existing contacts. Not only can you access your phone book from your SBC system, but VCAssist acts like a physical remote control for your SBC system, so you can stay in total control of your video conference. Now you have full control of your SBC system from the palm of your hand with AVer web tool integration and VCAssist. VCAssist brings new and exciting ways to collaborate through video conferencing. Let's start enjoying our video conferencing with VCAssist.